now we are creating labels for the lockers with the first name and the man number one, so the guys usually know what their lockers are that work here, but when our guy comes to deliver, it'll just be so much quicker until he memorizes where the guys are to be able to know what clothes go where. So it's just a way to help speed up service, keep things accurate, and help our routemen more than anything else.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, brother, we'll see you.
What you just saw was the Bill Colwell install. As you can see, the entire city team is united, positive, full of energy, and ready to welcome a new customer to the city family.